Today, I'm going to talk about how to germinate tobacco. I was able to find some online, and so here's the tobacco I got. Now you got to remember one thing about tobacco, the seeds are really, really small, so you're going to want to try to find some type of white surface to place those seeds on so you can see them. And essentially you pick them up and you slowly sprinkle them throughout your grow matter. In this case, I'm just using an egg carton with some soil inside. The thing with tobacco is it's just planted right on the top surface. It's a surface germinator, and so it's really key to keep that moisture in there or the seed will dry out. And this year we used a plastic container that had like some type of dainty in it or something like that. Because the lid can close, I'm able to keep the water in there, allow them to germinate. Tobacco is going to take about 2 to 3 weeks to germinate, 14-15 days. You want to have it around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 25, 26. The good thing is my house gets up to that temperature, so it's perfect for germinating tobacco here. I'm going to see how it goes. This is some old seed, and I don't necessarily know if it's going to take this year, but I'll keep you updated on how the tobacco works out.